Hey, quite often people ask about stopping spam comments and messages coming through on their website. And there's loads of ways you can do that. ReCAPTCHA, Honeypot x4, ClearTalk, lots of other plugins and tools. But if you start to notice that you're continuously getting messages from a certain IP address, normally when you go to your comments, it will actually have the IP address in there for you, especially if you're moderating. So if you notice you're continuously getting attacked, or maybe you want to block certain IP addresses, it's actually really simple to do this. If you go over to your WordPress and you go to your settings down here and go to discussion, this is where you normally have all of your settings for your comments and whether you're going to allow it moderation. But did you know down here, you also have disallowed comment keys? So you can put into here the author name, maybe certain words, email addresses, and IP addresses. So let's say I pop in an IP address. By the way, this is not my IP address. I've just made the numbers up. But you could start to pop things into here, okay? And like I said, you can put URLs and email addresses in as well. So this isn't going to completely solve your problem. But if you notice you're getting hit by the same IP address all the time, this is a quick and easy way to do it. I hope you like, subscribe, share, and follow, and I'll see you.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life, I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, bitch, hand me the bat, put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag.